Hi guys, I'm going to show you how you can drop in a fade. Now, what is a fade? A fade like gradually lowers or raises your volume so like the transition from one clip to another is not so abrupt in the audio level changes. I like to put fades sometimes at the beginning if the first thing you see in my film is music, and I like to put a fade in between the music and the first shot. So let me show you how to do that. So here's my timeline. This is just a whole bunch of stuff put together. It doesn't really make sense, but I'm just showing you for the purpose of fading. Here's my music. Then over here, I go to my actual video. It's a promotional video.
Do you love to?
Okay, so going from that music to the talking is abrupt and weird. So we're going to drop in two fades. What you're going to do is you're going to go up to effects and click on it, and it's going to open up panels over here. Now yours might pop up and look like this. So you're going to look for effects. You're going to open it. You're going to look for audio transitions. Yours is probably looking like this right now. So click on audio transitions to open it. And you're going to grab the exponential fade, this bottom one. You're going to press down, hold it, and I'm going to drop it over here at the start, and I'm going to get another one, and I'm going to drop it over here in between. Now it's actually going to go on the other clip, and that's okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on that, and it's going to show me the duration. Right now, my fade is 1 second long. I think I want a 4-second fade. Let's see how that sounds. So, ooh, look, my exponential fade now just grew. And I'm going to double click on this one, and I'm going to make this fade 3 seconds. Okay, now let's listen. Did you notice how it started soft, got louder, now it's consistent, and over here,
Are you grammar obsessed?
and there was nice fade in and out. And that's how you put in an exponential fade.